Okay, welcome back. We're still busy with prime numbers. We're still busy trying to figure out what the prime factors are of 1125. So let's continue. So 3 goes into 375 how many times? Let's see that. Just my eraser. Erase this quickly. Okay, so then we have 375 divided by 3. That's 1, 3. And then we bring down the 7. That's 2, 6, 1, 5. That would be 3. Not 3, sorry. That would be 5. So 125. 125. Okay. So how many times can 2 go into 125? No, it can't. It's not an even number. How many times can 3 go in there? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3 cannot go in there because 8 is definitely not a multiple of 3. Let's look at our next one, 5. 5, it ends with a 5. Yes, so 5 can definitely go in here. How many times? So 5 goes into 125. Let's see. Divided by 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. That would be 10, leaving us with 2, 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So the answer is 25. Okay, 25. Okay, so can 2 go into 25? No, it cannot. Can 3 go into 75? 2 plus 5 is 7. So no, 3 cannot. So it should be 5. So 5 again. How many times can 5 go into 25? We all know that would be 5 times. So that would be our prime factor list would be 333 and 555. Okay. 333 and 555. So 3, 2 of them, times 5, 3 of them, equals to 1,225. Not as difficult as we thought it would be, right? But still, we still need to do the long division, so it can be tedious and one can make mistakes when doing long division. And also, these are the type of equations that you will not be able to do with your calculator in the IGCSE exam. So we need to make sure that we actually know how to do this. Okay, so D is 9,214. Okay, so we first start off with 2. 2 can go in here because it's 10 is a multiple of 2. So 2, how many times? 2 goes into 40, 20 times. 2 goes there in once. You see, now we have an uneven number, so let's do the long division. That doesn't always work. Okay. 9240, which is 2. 2 goes into 9 4 times, leaving us with 8. 1, 2 gives us 6. 12 gives us 4. 2. And then we have a 0 over there. So it's 4,620. 4,620. 2 can still go in here. How many times? 2 goes into 20 10 times. So that would be 10. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And 2 goes into 4 2 times. Okay. Then 2 again. 2 goes, we have an uneven number, so that will also make it a little bit more tricky. So let's just find out with long division. Who thought we're going to use grade 3 math so many times? No. So it's 2310 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 once, leaving us with 0. Why did I draw a line? Just get my eraser. 2, 0, 3. 2 goes into 3 once, leaving us with 2 and 1. Make it 11. 5. This brings us to 10, leaving us with 1, 0, and then 5. So 1,155. 1,155. 2 cannot go in there because it's not even a number anymore. But if we add 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 10 equals to 12, which means 3 can go in there. So how many times would 3 go into that number? Let's find out. So we have 1,155 divided by 3. 3 goes into 11 3 times. That will give us 9. And will leave us with 2. Then bring down the 5. 3 goes into 25 8 times. I had to think about that. 8 times 3 is 24. Leave us with 1. Bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And there we have 385. So 385. Okay. Can 3 go into this? 3 plus 8 equals to 11. 11 plus 5 gives us 16. So which means no. 3 cannot go in there. So next number would be 5 because it ends with a 5 there. So how many times can 5 go into? 385. Let's do long division to see. The more you practice with long division, the better you'll become in it. The faster you'll become with it. So practice makes perfect in math. Everything is practice. 385. 5 goes into 38 7 times. 7 times 5 equals to 35. Leaving us with 3 and 5, which means it will be 77. Okay, so 77 times. Can 2 go into this number? No, it cannot. Can 3 go in this number? 7 plus 7 is 14. Cannot. 5 cannot go in there because it doesn't end with a 5 and a 0. Can 7 go in there? Yes. 77 is definitely a multiple of 7, which means 7 can go in there. How many times? 11 times. 11 is the next prime number. Okay, so there we have our prime factors. You stick it out well. So let's write that down. So how many 2's do we have? 2 to the power of 3, 1, 3. So 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, and 1, 11. Okay, so that would be equal to 9,240. Equals to 9,240. And there we have it. We've worked out our prime factors. I hope you understand now how to do this. I hope you got all of them right. We'll continue with the next video with how to find the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor using prime factors. See you then.